Hello. I'm working on addressing an envelope in gold right now, and Judy from the intermediate course had asked me about my desk setup and specifically where I put my brush when I'm writing. So I just want to show you. My desk is super messy. It usually is, unfortunately. I know where everything is. My husband doesn't, so it drives him nuts. But I've got my Fine Tech here, and it's been moistened with water. And I just take my brush, I have it in a mug, my art water in a mug here, and I always moisten the brush before dipping it in the Fine Tech, even though the Fine Tech is already moistened. And that's because I usually need the extra moisture. And then see, I just put my brush on top of my cup there, and then I'll try to get the excess off and continue writing. And Judy had said that she noticed that my Fine Tech stays on my nib quite a long time. I just think it's all about getting the right ratio. Let me get you a little closer here so maybe you can see what I'm doing. A little bit. But yeah, I think it's all about getting that ratio right. And then the Fine Tech will actually stay on your nib for quite a while. See, it's still going. I might even make it to the end. I have 3 more letters to go here. I can see it's fading. So see, once it's, well, come on, focus on this guy. Well, you can't see it that well, but I can tell that my Fine Tech is needing a reload because there's very little of it on the nib. But yeah, that's my Fine Tech setup, pretty easy. Sometimes I do find that if I'm not careful, the paintbrush will roll onto the table, just like that. So you can see right here that it's happened a lot, you know, no big deal, just part of using Fine Tech. So I hope this helps. Judy, I hope this helps other people too. Happy writing with gold.